we're not looking for another vehicle. We're not looking for another project. I have plenty of things going on. However, when you find a unicorn, you move on it. You don't want to miss an opportunity. And so this vehicle was actually spotted by Chris Mady. Followed this nice little old woman to her house and started talking to her about it. In the end, it has been back and forth conversation with them for about 3 or 4 months, you know, to see if we were able to make a move on this car. She was confessing to us that, you know, she's like, I am getting older. I probably should get into something a little bigger, a little safer. I want to be able to take my grandkids for rides. I want to be able to, you know, put things in the trunk, things like that. And so made a couple suggestions. We brought a bunch of brochures over to her house. We're like, here's the lineup from Nissan. She picked out the car that she would like to purchase. And so we then helped facilitate her getting in communication with the store manager. We helped broker this deal with Massey Nissan, and this woman, her name is Karen, wonderful, very nice woman. And so she's got herself a nice new Nissan, and at the same time, we're gonna go pick up this new car. So, well, it's not new, but it's new to me.
I lived down in San Diego, and I bought this car back in 1991 off the Pacific Nissan dealership. So she's been with me all this time, and been dependable, reliable, and I'm sad to see her go.
Chris Mady, he spotted it over a year ago. And I asked Mady, I was like, hey, we should reach back out to Karen and see if she still has that car. And we do, and it was like right at the time where they were talking about, you know, potentially getting into a new car. We had just come from the dealership shooting with the Forsberg edition truck. They found Nissan Kicks. They were able to give a really good price on it, and everything worked out really well. So now she has room for the whole family. She's in a nice, newer, safer vehicle that's a little more up to the, you know, today's standards for safety. She was maybe still on the fence about selling it. We were just telling a story, and we're telling about Long Beach, and you know, the first race coming up April 4th and 5th, and you know, her daughter goes, oh, that's right by your birthday. And I said, you know, when's your birthday? She said April 6th, and I said, mine too. And so she almost started crying right then. And I pulled my ID out. I'm like, I'm not messing with you. I'm not just trying to tell you whatever you got to hear to sell me this car. It was, everything just felt right. It just felt meant to be. And so she's going to pick up her new car tomorrow, and she seems excited. It's great. Couldn't be happier for her. She's very happy that, you know, we have the car. It's in great hands, and we're going to take such good care of it. And so there you have it. This vehicle is now on its way back to the shop. We're gonna make a nice little space for it. And it actually came with a car cover, of course, because she took such good care of this thing. It's got a car cover. We're gonna get it, keep it clean, keep it nice, and figure out what the next steps are. So I don't have a full plan just yet on what we're gonna do with this car, but I gotta say I'm excited for it. So I would love to hear what you guys think. You know, like leave me some comments on where you think we should go with this car. You know, what kind of mods we should do, what we should replace, what we should keep factory. I'm not planning on cutting it up in any capacity, but outside of that, anything that can be bolted on or removed, we'll see what kind of fits the bill. This is gotta be one of the cleanest 240s, especially in 100% stock form in existence. I mean, I can't even think. I mean, there's gotta be other ones, right? There's gotta be other fully stock 240s out there, but I can't imagine that they're this clean. This is absolute one-of-a-kind find, and I'm stoked to add it to the stable. So let's get to it. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. I'll be watching the comments, and we'll start having some fun with this thing.